In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure on Adobe Acrobat using the full 2025 guide. Measuring distances, areas, or perimeters within a PDF can be extremely handy, especially if you're regularly working with architectural plans, technical drawings, or any form of blueprint documents. Let's dive into the details so you can utilize these tools effectively. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring that you're using Adobe Acrobat and not just any PDF viewer is crucial, as not all viewers have these advanced measurement tools. Once your file is open, you'll want to navigate to the All Tools section. This is where Adobe Acrobat houses all its powerful features, and you'll find the Measure Objects tool here. If you've never used it before, this tool is designed specifically to help you gauge distances, calculate areas, and measure perimeters directly from your document. Now that you've selected the Measure Objects feature, look out for the measuring tool icon. It's usually depicted as a ruler. A click on this icon will activate the measuring tool, giving you access to a variety of measurement types. This feature offers options like distance, perimeter, and area, each with its unique application. Choosing the right type of measurement depends entirely on your needs. For instance, if you're measuring the length between 2 points, distance is ideal. If you're assessing the entire boundary of a shape, perimeter will be your go-to, while area is perfect for getting the size of a contained space. Once you decide on the type of measurement, you'll begin by clicking on your intended starting point within the document. This could be any corner or point of reference from where you wish to initiate your measurement. If you're measuring distance, for example, simply click on the 2 points you wish to measure between. For perimeters or areas, you would typically click around the shape or the section you're interested in. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always undo your actions and start over without any hassle. After clicking the necessary points, Adobe Acrobat will calculate the measurement instantly. You'll see these results displayed prominently on the screen, typically within the Measurement Info panel. This panel is your dashboard for measurement data, offering a comprehensive view of the calculations Adobe Acrobat has performed on your behalf. The process is that simple but precise. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these tools, the more intuitively you'll be able to navigate them. Whether you're working in design or simply need accurate measurements from a PDF, Adobe Acrobat's measurement tools make your job easier. Thanks for watching and happy measuring.